Hi everyone, it's Melanie coming to you live from Oscar Carl Vineyard, and today I'm in the East Vineyard and it's harvest week, so I got some things to show you. So this vineyard, we are really happy with how it has grown this year. You know, we did a lot of work earlier in the year doing combing, where we're taking the clusters and we're making sure that they aren't tangled up in anything, in each other, with another branch or part of the vine or cordon, or even part of the rebar or whatever. So we're really happy with how the clusters are all hanging down. So it should be relatively easy to harvest. So I wanted to show you, this is the tool that we use when we harvest. So we call it a grape fork. And what you do is in one hand you hold the cluster, and then you just take this and slide it up against the stem, which easily cuts it off. And then the harvested cluster falls in your hand, and you put it in a 5-gallon bucket. And once your bucket's full, then it goes into our macro bins that hold about 1,000 pounds each. So this year we are hoping to get 2.5 tons, so about 5,000 pounds of these itty bitty grapes. So that is what our estimation is, I guess, if you will. And you know, we've obviously been in a drought for the last couple of years. So one thing that we're really excited about is that there is rain scheduled for, not scheduled, predicted. I wish it was scheduled. Predicted for Friday, and more of a chance on Saturday. So if that would occur in a small enough amount, we don't want a deluge, but it actually will plump up the grapes and we would have a better harvest. It would lower the sugar level a little, but it would make the grapes juicier. So we're actually hoping for a little bit of rain. And then, of course, you still have these pesky beetles, but there's not very many of them, and they're to the end of their life cycle. So we're just all very hopeful for a successful harvest. All right, everyone, have a good week. Cheers. Bye.